In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up shipping on your Shopify store. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about setting up shipping, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. Setting up shipping for your Shopify store is a fundamental step towards ensuring smooth order fulfillment and customer satisfaction. Let's get started. To begin, head over to the home page of your Shopify dashboard. Navigate to the left-hand menu and scroll down to access Settings. Open Settings and locate the Shipping and Delivery section. Here, you'll find different settings related to shipping zones, local delivery, and local pickup. For instance, if you want to enable local delivery, access your shop's location and select the option that states, "This location offers local delivery." Specify the areas you'll deliver to by adding postal codes and defining any necessary criteria, like minimum order price or offering free local delivery, to entice more traffic to your website. Now, let's move to setting up general shipping rates. Click on Manage under General Shipping Rates. Scroll down to find your shipping zone and click on the three dots to edit rate. Here, you can adjust the shipping price, set conditions based on order price or item rate, or even remove conditions as needed. For example, you might want to set a specific price for shipping. Make your changes and click Done to save your alterations. If you have multiple zones or countries you're shipping to, you can create custom shipping rates for each. Simply select the country or zone you want to set rates for, input the details, and save the changes. Remember, while making changes, ensure to consider different currencies if you're selling internationally, and adjust the prices accordingly. Setting up shipping rates on Shopify is a straightforward process. Once you've made your changes and configurations, click Save to apply the new settings to your store. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. If you found this guide helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support motivates us to continue providing informative content. Thank you for watching.